Screwballs! We've sat together like this for the past 20 odd years, and not once in all that time have you made as much as one unpredictable remark. And now, even though you refuse to acknowledge the fact, I'm leaving you forever. I'm going to Philadelphia to work at a hotel. And you know why I'm going, Screwballs, don't you? Because I'm 25 and you treat me like I'm 5. I can't order even a dozen loaves without your permission. And you pay Madge more than you pay me. But worse than all of that, Screwballs, we embarrass each other. If one of us was to say, "Oh, you look tired," or "That's a bad cough you have," the other would fall over backwards with embarrassment. So do you know what I want you to do? I want you to make one unpredictable remark. And even though I'll still be on that plane tomorrow, I'll have doubts. Maybe I should have stuck around. Maybe the old codger did have feelings. Maybe I have maligned the old bastard. So go on. Say, "Once upon a time a rainbow ended in our garden." Say, "I like to walk across the white strand when there's a misty rain falling." Say, "Gar, son." Say, "Gar, you bugger you, why don't you stay here and stick it out with me? It's not such a bad old bugger of a place." Go on! Say it! Say it! Say it!